Hey everybody, it's Cameron of Speedtech Performance, and today we are at LS Fest West in Las Vegas, Nevada, 2022. Hey everybody, it's Cameron of Speedtech Performance, and today I'm at LS Fest West in Las Vegas, Nevada, 2022, and today I'm standing here with Nick. Nick's the owner of this beautiful 69 Chevelle. Nick, how the heck are you?
Good, how are you?
Man, this is like another day in paradise, you know, so we're at a great event, beautiful weather today. Yesterday was not that great, so I just wanted to, I saw you drive by and I was like, oh shoot, Nick's here. I've seen you online. You attend a bunch of events. Now you're in SoCal?
Yes, Huntington Beach.
Huntington Beach, okay, so you attend different things like Cruising PCH, things like that?
Yep, a bunch of car shows, Southern Cars and Coffee down in San Clemente, Quarantine Cruise in Huntington, and starting to get into autocrossing. This is my first event. Yesterday was my first event here at LS Fest Autocrossing.
Okay, so it's your first time actually doing a driving event with the car. How did that feel?
Oh, it felt amazing. The suspension on this car from Speedtech is just, it's worth its weight in gold.
So this is your first driving event. Like we said, you've been to a bunch of different show and shines and cruises. This is your first driving event. What I want to hear from you, because you're a young kid, 21st birthday today, by the way, so happy birthday. What a better place than Vegas. But what I want to do is hear from you as you're pulling up to that starting line for the very first lap that you ever made. Explain that feeling.
Oh my God, my heart was racing, just boom, 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 boom. Super nervous and sent it right away. I ended up burning out a little bit, just sent it, I guess, and it was a decent run for my first time.
What products do you have of Speedtech?
So the product I have is your track time system, which is your front and rear coilovers are double adjustable, front and lower control arms up in the front, the trailing arm in the back, and then your front and back sway bar.
Yeah, so this system, it's got the sway bar. It takes the stock trailing arms, and we have the articulating trailing arms in the rear. It just creates a system that's a bolt-on system that you can do in your garage. Now, you and your dad built this car at home in your garage, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me about the build. How did that whole process go?
So I got this. I got the car from my grandpa when he passed away about 3 years ago, and we're trying to figure out what we wanted to do with it. He had it in his garage for about 15 years, just had it, and it was basically just primered, and it had a C307 in it. Got it trailered down from Arizona, straight California car. We decided to put a LS3 in it with a Tremec T56, and then we got a Curry 9-inch, and just went from there.
Now today he was actually able to have Nick Relampago sit in the passenger seat and give him some pointers, which is a big deal because Nick has a wealth of knowledge. How did that make you feel?
Oh my God, he gave me so much advice. It was perfect. And a lot of stuff that I need to improve on, which was good stepping stone for my first time.
Oh, absolutely, and that's the thing you're going to learn with this kind of a thing. You've got the Band-Aid ripped at 21 years old. The sky's the limit from here, man, and so we're super excited to have you part of Speedtech. You know, we love to have you here. Did you ever think you'd be on the track racing?
Oh, no, not at all, but I'm happy to be here.
So now that you have your first one, are you going to be back?
Oh, 100%.
What's your next move?
Just autocross way more. I just joined SCCA, so I'm going to start going to a lot more events down in Fontana and start ripping the car.
Oh, heck yeah, we like to hear that, you know. We appreciate what you do. Tell everybody here, if they want to follow you, they want to follow your build, they want to see where you're at in the world, how can they find you?
Just hit me up on Instagram at Surf City Chevelle right here.
Perfect. So it's at surfcity_Chevelle on Instagram. You can follow him. You can follow this crazy build. We're super excited to have you part of Speedtech, and thanks again.
Thank you.